Check your attic and whole house fans the moment you move in to ensure they run safely and efficiently. Start by testing fan operation while standing below and listening for smooth, steady airflow. Run the fan at different speeds if available, and note any grinding or wobble that suggests bearing wear. Inspect intake and exhaust screens and louvers, and remove dust, insulation, debris, and bird or insect nests by brushing and vacuuming. For stubborn buildup, use a damp cloth and mild detergent and allow to dry fully before turning the fan on. Verify shutters and motorized dampers move freely by operating them manually and watching travel. A stuck shutter can backdraft warm or humid air into living spaces. Check electrical connections at the fan, any timers, and the breaker panel for tight terminals and signs of overheating such as discoloration or a burnt smell. If you are not comfortable with wiring, schedule a licensed electrician to test voltage and ground continuity. Consider adding a thermostat or timer control set to sensible thresholds, so the fan only runs when attic temperature or humidity justifies it, which reduces unnecessary energy use. Finally, balance attic ventilation by confirming soffit and ridge vents are clear and that intake area equals or exceeds exhaust area, so airflow is effective without creating negative pressure that pulls conditioned air from the house. A common mistake is assuming the fan is fine because it turns on. Vibration or noise can indicate worn bearings or misaligned blades, and the fix is to replace or rebalance the fan assembly promptly. Another issue is clogged intake screens that reduce airflow and increase runtime. Clean them regularly and seal gaps where insulation can be sucked into the fan. Homeowners sometimes overlook control settings and run fans continuously, which raises energy bills and may overdry the attic. Install or program a thermostat or timer and test settings over a few days to find the right balance for comfort and efficiency. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to attic and whole house fan service. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips and troubleshooting experiences so neighbors and professionals can learn from each other.